Pack your suitcases. Does the same marketing strategy work in every situation? Not in today's world. Each situation requires a customized approach. To adapt, marketers often adjust and even combine their strategies to fit their purposes. You do the same thing when you pack for a vacation. You take items appropriate for your trip. For instance, if you're traveling to Florida, you're likely to take flip-flops, a swimsuit, t-shirt, and other clothing that will keep you cool. On the other hand, if your destination is Washington, D.C., you're probably going to pack comfortable shoes, some clean shirts, and other clothing appropriate for visiting the White House, and other famous sites. Just as you put together different outfits for assorted travel destinations, marketers combine different marketing elements to produce strategies appropriate for reaching assorted marketing goals. As marketers select the right gear for the job, they make sure they have the right marketing pieces in the right combination, including the right things. The marketing mix is a combination of four elements of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. This mix is a unique blend of elements that is valuable individually. Let's take a look at each element. Product. As you might expect, the starting point is the product, the goods, services, or ideas will offer its customers. Marketers conduct research and use their creativity to figure out what customers need and how their business can meet those needs. To do this, marketers ask themselves questions such as, should we offer one product or more than one? Is the product a good, a service, or an idea? Does the product have special features? Does the product have multiple uses? What resources are necessary to research and develop the product? What level of quality should be produced and provided? Which brands should be used? How should the product be packaged? How might the product affect our image? How might customers view this product in relation to other products? Should we offer a warranty, maintenance contract, or other support services? Marketers have succeeded with the product element when customers view the product as the best solution to their needs. In the past, price was a primary factor in a customer's product choice. Today, though, marketers seek to balance customer value and satisfaction with the company's cost and profits. Price. Price, the amount of money a business asks for in exchange for its products. It is the important element of a marketing mix. To be successful, marketers must find a good balance between customers' value and satisfaction between company costs and profits. To achieve this balance, marketers start by determining their price objectives, which may include one or more of the following. Getting the product into more customers' hands. Marketers can sometimes accomplish this by lowering prices. Helping customers view their business as distinct from competitors. To do this, marketers might offer something unique, such as a payment plan. Bringing in the amount of income they need or want. To pay for the business's activities and ensure a profit, marketers price the product high enough to cover expenses and then some. Raising the product's value in the customer's eyes. By asking a higher price, marketers can encourage customers to view the product as a higher quality. Matching the product's value with what customers expect to receive. Marketers know that if customers are looking for a high quality product, they need to assign a price high enough to match these expectations. After developing their price objectives, marketers determine how they will accept payment. Will they take cash, credit, debit, check, or some combination of payment methods? Also, marketers must decide whether they will offer discounts to their customers. When customers feel the benefits they receive outweigh the costs and the business is bringing in enough revenue to make a profit, marketers have been successful with the price element. Place. The place element can make or break the buying decision. Getting a selected product in the right place at the right time is all about creating convenience for the customer. When developing the place element of their marketing mix, marketers need to consider the following: which businesses to buy the products from, when to buy the products, how much of the product to order, where to make the products available, how to process customer orders, which businesses to involve in the process, and how to answer customers' questions, how to coordinate all of the steps involved. If marketers make a mistake with this element, the results can be unfortunate. A product may be in the wrong location, available in the wrong amount, or not available at all. But if done well, place can overshadow product shortcomings such as high price, because to some customers, convenience may be worth the added expense. Marketers are successful with the place element when customers can buy a desired product when and where they want. The final element of the marketing mix involves letting customers know a product's value and how its benefits meet their current needs. Promotion refers to the various types of communication that marketers use to inform, persuade, and remind customers about their products. These types of communications include advertising, personal selling, publicity and public relations, and sales promotion. To use these communication channels effectively, marketers consider the following factors: which message to send, which media to use, how they want messages delivered, how often they want messages delivered, how to coordinate communication efforts, how to evaluate results. The ultimate goal of promotion is to generate a positive response from customers. What is the positive response? Customers buy the products. If customers are sure that making a purchase is the right thing to do at this time, then marketers have successfully promoted their product. Putting it all together. Blending the marketing mix elements is similar to making a recipe. The ingredients you use vary based on whether you're making a blueberry pie, a chocolate cake, or a batch of peanut butter cookies. The same is true of marketing mixes. Since situations vary, marketers must adapt their marketing mix to suit each unique set of circumstances. The marketing mix elements are interrelated. A change to one element affects the others. When marketers improve the product's features, the price goes up. When the price element is simplified, the price goes down. When they assemble the mix, marketers carefully determine each element to include and to what degree. Keeping in mind the mix must work together as a unit. Remember your map. Keep in mind it's important for marketers to select a strategy before customizing the marketing mix. If not, it is as if they packed for a vacation before deciding where to go. Similar to the careful selection of each tactic, choosing the right blend of the marketing mix takes thorough planning. How does this play out in a company like Target? Let's take a look. When you think of Target, do you think of trendy clothes or a bullseye logo? Whatever comes to mind, Target's strategy is to offer discount shopping for the fashionable crowd. In support of this strategy, Target has designed a creative marketing mix. Product. Target offers both typical household necessities and products unique to its stores. Since the firm hires its own designers for some of its product lines, it is impossible for competitors to carry the same brands. This individuality encourages customers to come back for things they won't get anywhere else. Price. Featuring quality products at a lower price, Target offers chic shoppers a refreshing change from higher priced department stores and from lower quality discount stores. Its prices remain low enough to be considered discount, but high enough to establish an image of quality. Place. To ensure its products are at the right place at the right time, Target is part of an extensive online system to get products from its suppliers. This allows the business to stock its shelves as professionally as department stores do. Promotion. When customers notice that Target's advertisements sport a cutting-edge image, they conclude that this discount store accommodates its customers' styles requirements. A unique blend. Target's marketing mix puts together the image of quality and convenience of discounts, shopping in a way that few stores have demonstrated. The blend effectively supports Target's strategy of catering to stylish discount shoppers. You can read more about the 4 elements of the marketing mix work in the article Marketing Mix and the 4 P's of Marketing. In summary, bring the right gear. The marketing mix is made up of a distinct blend of elements: product, place, price, and promotion, that are valuable individually. Determining the product is to sell is the starting point. Finding the right pricing balance involves weighing value and satisfaction for the customer, as well as cost and profit for the firm. Making sure the products are in the right place at the right time ensures a convenient buying experience. Effective promotion uses communication to inform, persuade, or remind customers of the product's benefits. As a unit, the mix elements are interrelated and can be tailored to suit various situations. Before putting the elements together, marketers must select a strategy for reaching their goal.